Today we're camping in the desert. Yep, this is our home for the day. We're cooking the noodles because they're not cooked thoroughly yet.
Bruh.
Making the ice
Good. Why don't you just drain the water and mix it in the pot?
Then we could just bring the whole noodle box over there. Nice. Ooh, wow, it's yoki. It looks like the ramen one.
Yoki and good.
We got Korean spicy cold noodles with egg and cucumber. We should have brought something so we could put our feet in. Oh, really?
Let's get it! Pool party!
Dogs in the water. Does it feel good?
No. It's not even warm, it's hot.
Just rinse it and then take it out.
Oh, I know. Get that fan. Sorry, Oscar.
Oscar's living the. Oh! There you go, Oscar. Look at Oscar. He's so funny.
Right?
He's living the life.
It's hot as shit. No, it's good when you take out your feet and blow it. Just the highest. See, doesn't that feel good?
My feet look swollen.
Bring it up.
Shoot.
Okay, bring it up.
I gotta like censor all our
This
feet.
is like fucking core workout, bro.
Doesn't feel good. No, but what we need is like something to put in here so we can stand on it.
Oh no, that's doing too much.
Okay, fine. Get your own fan.
Then look at Oscar.
No, we're using up our ice supply.
Oh my god, he's so cute. Staying at a hip camp, which is basically Airbnb for campsites. First thing is this table that you could eat at and just chill. And they also put little cup holders for you right here so you could put cups on it. This is the first room. As you can see, it's a little bit, oh, it's unlocked. It's a little small room.
Oh my god, this is tiny.
I know, it looks scary in here. Here, let me show you for reference. I am as tall as the roof. There's two little beds here, but we're not staying in here because it's quite hot. At least they provide you with a little trash can. They have really good 24/7 security for you. At least it comes with a nice window too. Close it up. This is where the security will sit as well. They'll make sure no one comes and bothers you. So this is a Joshua tree, and there's a lot of them here. It's really nice. I haven't seen one like this up close before. It's beautiful. This is the restroom. It's actually pretty nice here. They have really good security here as well. You gotta pull this and you're in. Has a nice little toilet that flushes, and also the handy dandy toilet paper as well. We have the shower here. So you just turn this on. Ooh. Water pressure ain't that good, but it's okay. They have these little hangers with no curtain, but that's okay. And this mirror right here and a little light. I don't know if that works or not. And we have the sink. This restroom is actually really nice and clean. A plus for that. Welcome to our main lodge. So we have our cars parked on the sides. We're actually sleeping in the cars tonight because that's what we planned. But we have a room right here where we're keeping most of our storage. This is the main bedroom. It's super spacious. It has a huge bed here, which we actually took a nap because it was so hot to do anything. And we just kept our boxes and stuff in here. This is Monica's side. She has a little tent to keep the bugs and the sand out. She also has 24/7 security right here, who is on his lunch break actually. And then we have our table to eat our lunch. And there's Monica. She just finished cooking for her security guard. And then right here is the main gold. This is our pool party where we dipped our feet in throughout the day because it was super hot. We have a fan in there because it's so hot and a bunch of stuffed animals. And she was able to put up the mattress for us. And now this is the main kitchen dining area. Another one of those tables. Oh, it's on the floor, girl. It's okay. It's a bit sandy, but still usable. The picnic table for us to eat. The security guard's bed. This is actually where our kitchen is. It's actually pretty spacious.
No space in this mofo.
We have the water tank here, which is actually a sink. It comes with this bucket. There's no drain, so you had to dump out the water when it gets too overfilled. Then we have our stove here. Everything is super sandy because the windstorm that's happening right now. A hot dog cooker and s'mores grill. Oh, there's the security. We have our little campfire set up. Nice. Last but not least, the most important thing you need in the desert is water. So here is our water supply. We have this big old tank, which is only about up to here. I'll show you how we get our water. What you'll need to do is get the black cable. Oh, that scared me. It'll turn on the battery. You'll be able to use the hose. Oscar, get Monopoly. He said, give me the yummy parts or nothing. Give him like the good part and see if he eats it.
Here, Oscar.
Leafy green.
Oh my god!
Oh no. We're eating Korean barbecue today and it is samgyeopsal. I'm trying to cook ramen but the fire ain't working. Eating our first bite right now. We have samgyeopsal, the mashed potatoes. It tastes a little funny though. Kimchi, cucumber, radish wrap, lettuce, onions, garlic.
Why is it really cold?
It's not fully cooked because our fire went out. Looks good to me. We have a whole dinner. Right before this, we had a huge windstorm, but it died down. And it's really nice right now. Cheers.
Every minute slipping by, even when I close my eyes. Ruthless, I know. You might even wonder why
Is it beef?
I go MIA sometimes.
Oh, it looks like beef jerky. Oh yeah, it looks like chicken coops right here.
Try to hold on to the things I can't keep. Slipping through my fingers, I was losing control. Took a couple months till you knocked on my door.
Angie added her camp lights here. They're so cute.
While the waves fell asleep.
Hey, no Doritos for you.
Thought I lost my way, but now I am sure. If I spend all my days searching for you, I would be running out.
You sweating, girl.
I know, it's hot. Okay, retry.
My eyes!
Hey, oh, you okay?
Oh, I actually flipped it on myself.
It's okay. It's so freaking.
If we shit later, it's because of the fly.
This water doesn't have starch if you wanna.
Oh, we can just reuse it? Okay, good. Put this away.